Nemo Outdoor Tool Measurement Management Tutorial. Welcome to today's tutorial on the measurement management option in Nemo Outdoor Tool. In this video, we'll guide you through connecting a Samsung S20 device and exploring the measurement profile option to configure and run service tests. Let's get started. To begin, connect your Samsung S20 device to the Nemo Outdoor Tool using the appropriate cables and connectors. Ensure that the device is powered on and recognized by the software. Now, let's explore the measurement profile feature. Navigate to the Settings tab in the main ribbon, and click on Measurement Profiles. In the Measurement Profiles window, you'll find a list of services on the left. For example, let's choose FTP/SFTP. Click the Add button on the right to create a new profile. Give it a meaningful name. For now, let's call it FTP-DL. The FTP/SFTP settings dialog window will open. Here, fill in the necessary parameters for the FTP test, including the server IP address, login credentials, and the file to download. Once complete, click OK. Congratulations! You've successfully created a measurement profile. To manually test the FTP service, go to the connected device and map the profile we just created to the FTP/SFTP service test. Press the green button to start the test. The process is operational, as evidenced by the ongoing test progress displayed in the device status window. Within this window, you can observe the FTP-DL test with its corresponding download status. Now, let's see how we can use this measurement profile in a script for automated testing. Open the script properties of the device and create a new script. In the script editor dialog, check the box that says Use device settings for script commands. Next, drag and drop the FTP/SFTP script command from the options on the right side of the script window. Since we've selected the Use device settings for script commands option, we don't need to fill in any additional input parameters. Set the number of iterations you want the script to run in the repeat script field. Save and assign the script to the device. Fantastic! You've now set up the script. Go to the device and run the script. You'll see the FTP service test is running and working. That's it. You've successfully utilized the measurement management option in Nemo Outdoor Tool to create and apply measurement profiles for efficient testing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a great day.